everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. Welcome back again. I'm back again with another new tutorial. Today I'm going to talk you guys through how I do my hair care routine, how I wash my hair. I've been natural now for 4.5 years and I've been loving it years now. I've been researching about natural hair, researching about what worked for me, researching about what grows my hair, researching about a lot. So now I know my hair, I know what I have to do. I'm gonna share my hair routine with you, how I wash my hair, what I do before washing my hair, what I do after washing my hair, how I take care of my hair. You can see my hair. My hair is beautiful and healthy. This is my real hair. I'm going to show you all what I do before washing, after washing. Just stay tuned and watch the video. If you have any question, ask me about it and I'll tell you more of what I know. I'm a hairdresser, so I know a bit about hair. I don't know a lot, but I know a bit about hair. So stay tuned and watch the full tutorial of my hair care routine. Let's get started. To start first, I'm just going to go ahead and massage shea butter into my hair before washing. A day before washing, a night before washing, or in the morning before you wash after like 4 hours, you can apply all your shea butter. That's what I do. I apply 4 hours before washing or a day before I wash my hair when I lose my hair. That helps me to keep the moist in my hair when I wash it. So I apply shea butter all through my hair from the roots to the scalp. I apply shea butter on my hair. Then after applying my shea butter, I twist it around and I'm going to wrap it with cling film or shower cap. Then I'll go ahead and wash and conditioner. I'll wash with a shampoo and a conditioner. So I've done that now, and that's my hair. I've well dry my hair. My hair is still damp. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I am going to use Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to massage Cantu leave-in conditioner through all my hair to keep back moisture into my hair. I will use Cantu leave-in conditioner, and as you can see the way I'm doing it, I'm going to rub it, massage it through all my hair from roots to the scalp, the way I do my shea butter. Same way I'm going to do it to my hair after washing. So that is what I'm going to do, and I've been doing this for a long time and it's really worked for me. Cantu leave-in conditioner. Then after that, I'm going to use this Babyliss hair brush / dryer as I use it to stretch my hair and dry it at the same time. This stage is good when you want to plait your hair, or when you want to weave your hair all back before you can wear your wig, or if you want to do a twist out, you want to do something to your hair, and this is going to help you. And as you can see what it's doing to my hair, it dries out, it stretches it out. I can style it now, I can bond it. So this process is going to help me to be able to wear my natural hair, and I'm not going to be stressed out with my natural hair. And as you can see, the next thing I'm going to use now is my oil. This is the oil that I DIY myself, and this is the oil I've been using for a very long time. And I'm going to put the oil all over my scalp, and I'm going to pass my hair. You can see the way I'm passing my hair. Yeah, I'll pass it and I'll put it all over my scalp, like that. And I'll do it like that. You can see the way I'm doing it. I want my scalp to be oiled. Then after that, I put a bit on my hand, on my palm, and I rub it together, and I rub it all over my hair. This is what I do every time I wash my hair. And as you can see, I'm done now. I can go ahead and do braid and do whatever I want. That's just it. That's what I do. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, everybody. If you have any idea that you want to share, just share it, talk about it. But for me, what I'm doing it right, and I like it so much, and it's really working for me, and that is how I'm doing it now, and I've been doing it for a while. Before I come out and show you something, I will have tried it and used it and see that it's worked for me. That's when I share it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Catch you up in my next video. Love you, everyone. Bye.